Hi. My name is Tushar Chopale. I'm a proud founder and CVO, Cloud Counselage Pvt Limited. It's an IT and management services company with a social cause at heart. The social cause being to help the students pan-India get job ready in time, thus bridging the ever-widening gap between the industry and academia. Tell you my story today. When I passed out my engineering long back, there was no mentorship, internship, there were no campus placements, there was no confidence, to crack the interview. There is no one to actually guide us in our careers. I don't want you guys to face that kind of ordeal. That is the reason why we have actually come up with an internship program for you guys to get you a job ready in time. I want you to attend our internship program, which has got a great reviews in the last 3 years. It is actually most loved offering of ours. I invite you to the internship program